This is Robin from Back Pain Bootcamp, and today's question is, will my back pain ever start to hurt or stop hurting? Okay, it's a bit early in the morning for me here. So today's question is, guys, will my back pain ever stop hurting? Okay, this is also a very common question I get all the time, and just when you start to experience back pain, it can be a bitch. Okay, let's not beat around the bush with that. Okay, it can be really hard, and depending on what kind of diagnosis you have, some diagnosis can be that you can barely stand up. Okay, but most people that experience back pain, they will have some sort of discomfort in their back, okay, that irritates them, and it goes off and on. Some days you have more pain and other days you have less pain. Okay, and it can be dependent on many different factors in your life. Okay, it can be like you might have some structural damage in your back. It can be like you pulled a muscle. It can be like you have bad posture. Okay, that you're stressed, that you have some internal problems with your internal intestines. Okay, but most times people's back pain will disappear. Okay, I mean, 8 out of 10 people during their lifetime will experience back pain once or twice or more times during their life. Okay, and most often, if you have a mild case of back pain, it takes like 3 to 4 weeks to get rid of it. Okay, and the most important thing is to walk all the time. Just continue to walk. But there is some warning signs. If the back pain doesn't disappear, or gradually gets better or even intensifies, you definitely need to get it checked out. Okay, you might need an MRI. You need to visit a doctor, physiotherapist, chiropractor, to make sure that you get a diagnosis. And I can't stress this enough. There's so many people walking around with back pain out there, and if you've just had it for a few weeks, that's fine. But I meet people that have walked around with back pain for 5 to 10 years, and no one has really checked them out. They've gone to different people, had a few massages, went to a personal trainer, but haven't really got it checked out thoroughly to understand the root of the problem. You got to go down to the root and fix the root of the problem for your back pain in order for you to have long time success. Okay, so that's today's tip. Okay, if you had back pain for a short period of time, don't sweat it. Usually it goes away after a few weeks. But if you've had it for a few months or even a few years, please make this a priority, to focus on it, to find someone out there that can actually give you correct diagnosis, correct treatment for it, and get rid of it. Okay, that's today's tip. And guys, remember, just one step away from healing your back pain.